Staring at a bright white screen while working in Claude makes your eyes tired very quickly. You can change this setting in just a few seconds to get a much more comfortable view. Keep watching because I will share a special trick at the end that helps you keep your display settings consistent across all your computer apps without having to update them individually. The reason your screen feels so intense is because of the amount of light it sends to your eyes. When you work with a bright background, your eyes have to work much harder to focus on the text. Think of it like reading a book under a very bright, direct spotlight. It creates glare and makes your eyes feel heavy after just a short time. Switching to a dark theme uses darker colors, which cuts down on that intense brightness. It is much gentler on your vision during long sessions of writing or chatting with the AI. To make the switch, start by logging into your Claude account. Move your mouse to the lower left corner of the browser window. You will see your profile name or user icon sitting there. Click on your profile name to open the main menu. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This opens a new panel where you can manage your account preferences. On the left side of this settings window, you will find a list of categories. Look for the label that says Appearance and select it. Now you see the display options for your interface. You should see a section for Theme. Simply click on the dark option. The interface will refresh immediately and change the white background to a soothing dark color. If you ever decide to switch back, just repeat these steps and choose the light option instead. Here is the bonus tip I mentioned. You can actually let your computer handle this for you. Go into your main system display settings for your operating system, whether you are on a laptop or a desktop, and set your overall theme to dark. Many modern websites are built to detect your system preferences, so they will automatically match your dark theme without you needing to manually toggle it in every single app. This is a massive time saver if you use many different programs throughout the day. It keeps your entire digital environment uniform and easy on your eyes. You have now customized your interface for better focus.